It's a difficult afternoon. We're short a few players, and then a 3-1 defeat at Rhyl. Does that succumb us to third position, or we've got a chance for second?
I don't know yet. Obviously, you can't rule anything out till it's mathematically not going to happen, and still games. 3 games to go for Holyhead and 2 for ourselves. So we'll see where we are at the end of the season. But yeah, just really disappointed today because the lads have worked so hard, and we've just 3 moments give away goals that we shouldn't be conceding. Ultimately, that's cost us. I've just said to them in there, we have to work so hard to score goals. Wherever we go, we have to work so hard to score a goal. But sometimes we give goals away far too easily. And the away form's, been the story of the season. It's been the problem, the away form, and it's the same again today.
Number of injuries as well, stretching the squad. But we did come back to 1-1 with a great goal, so that showed promise as well.
Yeah, I think we counted 8 players that were missing today, and 4 of them are at the back as usual. It's all in one position. Not just injuries, obviously a couple of suspensions last week, injuries, and then some other player availability, and that's cost us at different times. It cost us at a vital time, and towards the end of December, January, when we did go on a bad run. If you look back at the squad, then we were missing a lot of people in the final third. Today we're missing a lot of our defensive unit, and you're trying to find ways to still try and defend solid and get a result, and it's tough when you're missing that many players.
We've got a cup tie next week, which is a bit of a chance for cup silverware.
Again, I've just said to the boys in there, with all the support that we've had off, the supporters this season and the people at the club, it's really important that we try to finish the season with giving something back, and a cup final would obviously do that, give everyone a day out. So we've got to go and ensure that we do that next week, and then just keep fighting to the end in the league and see where we are.
It could be a big game on the last Saturday of April as well. Holyhead at home.
Obviously, it's in their hands now. It's out of our hands. All we can do is try and get to the cup final next week, which would be a great achievement, and then win our home game before Holyhead and see whether we've still got a chance when the final day comes round.
Diolch, Chris.
Diolch.